Welcome to the Easy Fix It channel, and today, September 1st, 2020, we're going to take a look at the market share of operating systems as the numbers are in for August 2020. So, of course, dominating the world is Android at 39.23%, with second place Windows 35.43%. If we look at what the difference is, if you look at July 2020, Android was at 39.06. So there's a slight increase, but it's within the margin of error of this survey. So we can almost say that it's pretty much stable at the moment. So 39.06, 39.23. We have Windows that declined apparently. Well, actually 36.05 to 35.43 is a decline, and it's a decline for the second second month in a row actually. So this is interesting that Windows is declining. I don't know exactly what could be the cause of this. There are some interesting aspects to this. There is, because there was a lot of PC sales that we're talking about, but apparently a lot of people also purchased Chromebooks rather than Windows PCs during the increased sales of devices. That could explain that maybe Windows device market share isn't getting better now. It's kind of stagnating or even getting a little lower compared to other operating systems. But it's kind of interesting to see that this is moving on. The next operating system, number 3, is iOS. That's, of course, iPhones and iPads. 14.53. That's a little bit, that's up from 14.22. So a slight increase. OS 10 for Mac. That is 7.78. And it actually follows the Windows 10 PC side of things, if you want. 7.9 to 7.78. OS 10 is also losing market share. And if you look at the numbers, it's strangely following a little bit the Windows path at the end here, 2 months in a row of lower market share for OS 10, the operating system for Mac computers. So I guess it's maybe just a big roundup of simply computers as a device, like Windows P computers and OS 10 Mac computers are not selling as well, I would guess. And then we've got Linux and Unknown that I would honestly put pretty much together and give it that 2.5% market share. Linux has always been known to be at around 2%. And that hasn't changed for the last 30 years or so. I still get a lot of people saying, oh, wow, Linux is now dominating the world. No, it's not. And it shows here. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.